it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you how I ironed HTV or heat transfer vinyl on a PUL cloth diaper. First, I went ahead and prepared my image and my mat, printed it out with the shiny side of the HTV down and mirrored. Once you get, this is what you get out, you cut it into the size of your image and you weed away all the excess vinyl. At this point, you're able to put it on the diaper. Okay, for our diaper, the first thing we want to do is we do want to cut out our diaper from our fabric. I used brown as appropriate. Now we're going to just take it over to our Easy Press. And I want to place our design. And I want to make sure it's low enough that I can account for the seam allowance here. So I'll probably put it a little higher. Okay, for applying this, we are going to use the settings for polyester. I'm hoping this will work out okay. We've got, because we're using Sport Flex, we are setting our Easy Press to 305 degrees Fahrenheit and preheating for 5 seconds. So preheat just means we are going to lay this right here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we are going to place this on top where we want it. We want to center it and make sure that it's close enough to the edge but not over where our seam allowance will be. And this is a Teflon sheet here. And now we are going to lay this right on here and press down, pressing the Cricut button, and hold for 30 seconds. Okay, we are going to let this cool for about 15 seconds and then we'll peel off this while it's warm still. It seems like it hasn't melted my PUL, which I was kind of worried about. Oh, nice. Wow, okay, it worked. I am very surprised. I've been worried about this. So, I'm just going to press it a little bit more. Hopefully not a mistake. Okay, I'm not doing it for the full time. Don't want to mess with my PUL too much. Okay, so there we are. Now that the heat transfer vinyl is on your diaper, you can go ahead and sew your diaper as normal. If you are new to sewing diapers, check out my book on DIYDanielle.com or Amazon. It's How to Sew Cloth Diapers. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Please subscribe and check out my blog post on this on DIYDanielle.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.